Hello everyone. Let us talk about the Bunsen burner experiment. So when we perform the experiment, this is our observation. When the air holes are opened, it leads to the formation of non-luminous flame. This is a characteristic of complete combustion. On the other hand, when the air holes are closed, we generated a luminous flame. Take note of the color. It's yellow, the yellow-orange. And this is a characteristic of incomplete combustion. What is a complete combustion? Okay, the reaction involves the burning of a fuel. In our case, the fuel that we burned is methane. And the formula of methane is CH4. It reacts with oxygen in air, and the product of reaction are carbon dioxide, water, and of course, energy. When all of the carbon in your fuel has been converted to carbon dioxide, you call it complete combustion. Again, when the product of reaction is carbon dioxide and water, that is complete combustion, meaning all of your fuel has been transformed to carbon dioxide. On the other hand, if there is insufficient air or oxygen because the air holes are closed, the resulting reaction is called incomplete combustion. In incomplete combustion, you also produce the same products as the complete combustion, but also releases other products such as carbon monoxide, which is a poison, and soot. Okay, so this is an example of a reaction. Carbon monoxide is produced, and this is uh, uh, the formula of soot. Soot is carbon. The chemical name of soot is carbon. Sometimes you only produce carbon monoxide. Instead of carbon dioxide, you have carbon monoxide. This is up. In this slide, we have a specific example of a combustion reaction involving the fuel propane. Propane has the formula C3H8. When it is carried out in sufficient amount of oxygen, the products are carbon dioxide and water. But when oxygen is not sufficient, like in this case, instead of 5 moles of oxygen, you have only 3.5 moles of oxygen. It resulted in the formation of soot. Okay, when oxygen is limited, and therefore carbon is produced as a result, carbon or soot.